everybody, it's DJ Pops here. Yeah, it's another day. It's another good day, alright? Yeah. Hey, let's celebrate, alright? Hey guys, today we're gonna learn all the months of the year, okay? Remember, there's 12 months of the year, okay? We're gonna do each month, one by one, okay? The first one is January.
January.
Yeah, say January.
January.
Yeah. Okay, that's number one. Okay, now number two is February.
February.
Let me hear you say February.
February.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is great. Learning is fun. All right, number three, March.
March.
Say March.
March.
Yeah. Great, great. All right. All right. Now, number four, April. Yes. Say it again.
April.
April. Yeah, yeah. All right. All right. Now, number five, May. Yeah. Say May. May. Number five is May. Okay. For the number six, are you guys ready? Are you ready? I can't hear you. Yes, let's go for number six. Say June. June. Yeah, this is great. Oh my goodness, we're learning. Number seven. Okay, we're all the way up to number seven. What is number seven? July. Yeah, say July. July. Yeah, that's great. All right. You're learning. What's after seven is eight. And number eight is August. Say August. August. Yeah. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. You're doing great. Number nine. The month that is number nine. September. Yeah, let me hear you say September. Say it again. Yeah, that's great. Celebrate. Okay, we have three more. The next one is number 10. What is the 10th month of the year? The 10th month of the year is October. Yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me hear you celebrate. Say October. October. Yeah. We're having a ball here today. We're learning. We're having fun. We're waking up, feeling good, and we're learning. Okay, for number 11. Here we go. Number 11. November. Let me hear you say November. November. Yes, this is great. Oh my goodness. You guys, we're having lots of fun and we're learning. And we're at the last month of the year. We did all of the months of the year. We did 11 so far, and the last one is number 12. And number 12 is December. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sometimes that's our favorite month because that's when Christmas is celebrated. We get lots of presents and toys and things like that. We have lots of fun, you know what I'm saying? Man, so let me hear you say December. Yeah. Okay, so let's go through them one more time. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. Okay, so this is, I'll say it, you repeat it. So if I say number one, say number one. Then I say January. Okay, ready? Number one. January. Number two. February. Number three. March. Number 4. April. Number 5. May. Number 6. June. Number 7. July. Number 8. August. Number 9. September. Number 10. October. Number 11. November. Number 12. December. Hey, throw the party. You see the parties going on. The music's playing. Everybody's having fun. We're learning. Yeah. Let me see you jump up and down. Say we're learning. We're learning. We're learning. We're learning all day. Come on. We're learning. We're learning. We're learning. We're learning all day. Yay! Okay, guys. We'll be back with learning the planets. We're going to find out how many planets are in the solar system, and we're going to name the main ones, okay? We'll be back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, okay? All right, guys. You have a good day now. All right. See you later, okay? Bye-bye. This is DJ Pop signing out. Yee-hoo!